Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to conceal the edge of your fabric. So now, if this is the pattern you are using on this clothes, you first of all take this stay. It's a soft stay, not the hardest one. You iron it to the place that you want to cut out your flower on the Ankara drawers. So now, after ironing it, you use your scissors to trace it out this way. So after tracing it out, so you can take, this is a lighter. So you take your lighter, you just do it regularly. Don't allow it to burn. You do it this way. Just do it so that the edge will not be removing this way, like this. Like the one I've used lighter to burn the edges. Now you can see the way it is. So you just take your lighter, just burn it little by little. Don't allow it to burn. So this is one way. So the second one is this too. I have ironed my stay on it at the back. I've traced it out. So after tracing it out, you now take it to your machine with any bias. It determines the bias you are using. If the cloth you want to sew on is black, you can use black bias. If it's yellow, you use yellow bias. So now you now take it this way. So you start your sewing like this. And just take it this way. Sew it gently. Don't be too rushed. So now you sew it gently this way. So this is so now if you want to go and get to the edge, just come up a little bit. You cut it off this way. So now when you want to finish sewing, just fold the edge back like this. You sew it. So this is it. So now you can easily sew it to your dress. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe.